transforming your body with push-ups is not just a myth, it's a powerful reality. Many fitness enthusiasts spend hours in the gym, but what if you could achieve impressive results right at home? Imagine sculpting big muscles, losing weight, and gaining strength, all through a simple yet effective exercise. Push-ups are more than just an old-school workout, they are a dynamic tool that, when used correctly, can lead to significant muscle growth and overall fitness improvement. This isn't just talk, science and real-life examples back it up. Ready to uncover how many push-ups it really takes to transform your body? Let's explore the surprising answers and strategies that will elevate your fitness game to the next level. Muscle hypertrophy, or the growth of muscle cells, is a fascinating process that can be significantly influenced by exercises like push-ups. When you perform push-ups, you're engaging in mechanical tension and metabolic stress, which are key components in building muscle. Picture your pectorals, deltoids, triceps, and core muscles working in harmony during each repetition. This synergy is what drives the muscles to grow bigger and stronger. Imagine yourself pushing through a set of push-ups, feeling the burn in your chest and arms. That's hypertrophy in action, building those impressive muscles you're aiming for in your fitness journey. Research has shown that high-repetition push-up routines can yield muscle growth comparable to more traditional weightlifting exercises like bench presses. The secret lies in the volume and intensity. Think of it this way, if you're consistent with your push-up routine, gradually increasing the number of reps, you'll start to see significant changes in muscle size and strength. Studies have highlighted that up to a certain point, more push-ups mean more muscle growth. So, next time you're at the gym, or even at home, remember that a simple push-up can be as effective as lifting weights for building those big muscles and achieving that pump. For beginners, a structured push-up routine is essential. Start with manageable volumes, perhaps 3 sets of 10 to 15 push-ups. This might seem modest, but it's a solid foundation. As you grow stronger, progressively increase your reps. For those more advanced in their training, aiming for 200 to 300 push-ups daily can be highly effective. The key is consistency and gradual progression. Just like a tree doesn't grow overnight, your muscles need time and effort to develop. Keep pushing yourself, and over time, you'll witness the incredible transformation of your muscles, making your workouts more rewarding and your fitness goals more attainable. Delving into the research, it's clear that push-ups are more than just a basic exercise, they're a powerful tool for muscle growth. Studies have shown that high-repetition push-up routines can induce muscle hypertrophy similar to what one might achieve with bench presses. Imagine doing a set of 50 push-ups. The tension and burn you feel are not just sensations but indicators of your muscles working hard to grow. The repeated motion and effort trigger the body to adapt, leading to increased muscle size and strength over time. It's fascinating how such a simple exercise can have such profound effects on muscle development. The magic happens when you increase the volume of your push-ups. Higher push-up volumes correlate with greater muscle gains, but there's a sweet spot. Research suggests that up to a certain point, the more push-ups you do, the more your muscles will grow. However, it's essential to listen to your body to avoid overtraining. Think of your muscles like a sponge, they can only absorb so much water before it starts spilling. Similarly, your muscles can only handle so much stress before it becomes counterproductive. The goal is to find that balance where you're pushing your limits without pushing too far. For those serious about building muscles, incorporating high-volume push-up routines can be a game-changer. Picture this, dedicating a portion of your daily workout to push-ups, gradually increasing your reps and sets. This approach can lead to impressive gains, as evidenced by various studies. For instance, starting with 100 push-ups daily and working your way up to 200 or even 300 can significantly boost your muscle size and strength. This method not only enhances your physical appearance but also improves your overall fitness, making your body more resilient and powerful. The science backs it up, and the results speak for themselves. When it comes to crafting an optimal push-up routine, starting with manageable volumes is key, especially for beginners. Imagine you're just starting out on your fitness journey. Diving straight into hundreds of push-ups can be overwhelming and counterproductive. Instead, begin with 3 sets of 10 to 15 push-ups. This not only builds a solid foundation but also helps your body adapt to the new demands. Think of it as laying the groundwork for a sturdy house. Without a solid base, you can't build upwards. As you grow stronger and more confident, gradually increase your repetitions and sets. For those more advanced in their training, pushing the envelope with higher volumes can yield remarkable results. Imagine challenging yourself to complete 200 to 300 push-ups a day. This might seem daunting, but with consistency and perseverance, it becomes achievable. Break it down into smaller, more manageable sets throughout the day. For example, you could do 50 push-ups in the morning, another 50 during your lunch break, and the remaining 100 in the evening. This approach not only makes the goal seem less intimidating but also ensures that your muscles are being stimulated throughout the day, promoting continuous growth and endurance. Consistency is the name of the game. Just as with any workout routine, the key to success lies in regularity and gradual progression. Imagine your muscles as a garden. Regular watering and care are needed for the plants to flourish. Similarly, your muscles need consistent training to grow. By sticking to your push-up routine and gradually increasing the intensity, you set yourself up for impressive gains. Remember, every push-up counts towards your goal of building a stronger, fitter body. The journey might be challenging, but the rewards, bigger muscles, greater strength, and improved fitness, are well worth the effort. Progressive overload is the cornerstone of any effective muscle-building routine, and push-ups are no exception. To continually stimulate muscle growth, it's essential to increase the difficulty of your exercises over time. Think about adding a few more repetitions each week or incorporating weighted vests to your routine. By gradually escalating the challenge, you're telling your muscles they need to adapt, to grow bigger and stronger to handle the increased load. It's like training for a marathon. You don't start with 26 miles, but you gradually increase your distance to build endurance. Varying hand placements during push-ups can also significantly enhance muscle growth. Imagine switching from standard push-ups to wide grip push-ups, then to diamond push-ups. Each variation targets different muscle groups, ensuring a well-rounded workout that promotes balanced muscle development. For example, wide grip push-ups emphasize the chest muscles more, while diamond push-ups put extra focus on the triceps. This variety not only keeps your workouts interesting but also prevents plateaus, pushing your muscles to adapt and grow continually. Adding resistance, such as resistance bands or elevating your feet, can further challenge your muscles. Imagine strapping on a resistance band and feeling the added tension as you push through each rep. This additional resistance increases the mechanical tension on your muscles, a key factor in hypertrophy. By incorporating these variations and progressively increasing the load, you ensure that your muscles are constantly challenged, leading to significant growth and strength gains. It's about pushing beyond your comfort zone and making every workout session a step towards achieving those big muscles you've always wanted. A well-rounded fitness regimen is crucial for comprehensive strength development and preventing muscle imbalances. While push-ups are fantastic for building upper body strength, incorporating exercises like squats, lunges, and bench presses ensures that all muscle groups are adequately trained. Imagine pairing your push-up routine with a series of squats to work your lower body. This approach not only enhances overall muscle growth but also promotes balance and stability in your physique. And guess what? We have an entire video on squats available on our channel, providing detailed guidance and tips to perfect your form and maximize your gains. Think of your body as a finely tuned machine. Every part needs attention to function optimally. Consider adding lunges to your workout to target your legs and glutes. Picture yourself stepping forward into a lunge, feeling the stretch and the burn as your muscles work hard. This simple addition to your routine can significantly improve your lower body strength and coordination. Similarly, bench presses can complement your push-up regimen by adding variety and increasing the load on your chest muscles. By mixing up your exercises, you ensure that your workouts remain engaging and challenging, helping you avoid plateaus and keeping your fitness journey dynamic. Maintaining balance in your workout routine isn't just about aesthetics, it's also about preventing injuries. Overworking certain muscle groups while neglecting others can lead to muscle imbalances and increased risk of injury. Imagine the strain on your joints if your chest and arms are significantly stronger than your back and legs. By incorporating a variety of exercises, you create a harmonious development of muscles, ensuring that your body functions as a cohesive unit. This balanced approach not only enhances your muscle building efforts but also contributes to your overall health and well-being, making your fitness journey sustainable and effective. Recovery and nutrition are paramount in the journey to build muscles and lose weight. After an intense workout session, your muscles need time to repair and grow. Imagine your muscles as tiny builders, working tirelessly to reconstruct and strengthen themselves after being broken down during your training. Getting adequate sleep is like providing these builders with the rest they need to continue their work effectively. Aim for at least 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to ensure your body is in prime condition to support muscle growth and overall recovery. Nutrition plays an equally crucial role in this process. A protein-rich diet is essential for repairing and building muscle tissues. Picture your diet as the fuel for your workout engine. Without the right fuel, the engine can't perform at its best. Incorporate sources of lean protein such as chicken, fish, eggs, and plant-based options like beans and lentils into your meals. Additionally, maintaining a balanced diet with adequate carbohydrates and healthy fats ensures your body has the necessary energy for your workouts and recovery phases. Remember, what you eat directly influences your muscle building and fat loss goals. Hydration is another vital aspect often overlooked. Staying well hydrated helps maintain optimal muscle function and recovery. Think of water as the lubricant that keeps your body's machinery running smoothly. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day ensures that nutrients are effectively transported to your muscles, aiding in recovery and growth. Combining these recovery strategies with proper nutrition will not only enhance your fitness results but also improve your overall health. By taking care of your body with adequate rest, nutrition, and hydration, you're setting the stage for optimal performance and muscle growth in your sports and training endeavors. Now that you've unlocked the secrets of how many push-ups it takes to transform your body, it's time to put this knowledge into action. Are you ready to challenge yourself and see those muscles grow, your strength increase, and your fitness goals become a reality? Consistency is key, and integrating push-ups into your daily routine can make a world of difference. But don't stop here. Combine this with other exercises and a balanced diet to achieve comprehensive results. Have you tried increasing your push-up reps each week? What changes have you noticed in your strength and muscle size? Share your experiences in the comments below. Your journey could inspire others. And remember, this is just the beginning. To continue learning, growing, and transforming, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Stay committed, stay motivated, and let's keep pushing forward together.